drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high.
So it never rains in California, and whenever you get the chance, everyone loves to go street drifting. So Jason is in his 350Z. You guys have seen it before, and we did that little corner. It got kind of sketchy at first because there was like a puddle that both of us didn't see, or we didn't know, obviously, because we didn't drive that way yet. And but he pulled out of it totally fine. But we're gonna get some Rubios now, head back to the shop, start working on the front bumper, and probably fuck around like we did in the last video. His car says no fat chicks, but he drives it, so I don't know what he's doing.
How am I fat chick?
Have you looked at yourself lately?
I'm not even fat. Yesterday I was Willy Wonka, now I'm Oprah.
Dude, you're whatever I want you to be.
Oh, whoa.
whoa. Okay. I didn't mean it like that. You know what I meant.
False.
Now I don't know who you are. Who are you?
I'm a ninja, bitch.
Dude, what are those? What are those? Are we about to play some chess?
My bands, bro. The caramel brulee.
Two caramel brulee.
Yes. One of them with almond milk.
No problem.
We got a lactose fucker here.
$10.50. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Dude, fucking get that. Dude, we're gonna get spit in our fucking drinks. Fucking talking with an accent back to the guy. As you can see, Jason and I are white girls at heart. We love our Starbucks. This is day 2 of Starbucks, except iced this time instead of hot, which is weird because it's
fucking raining.
It's raining today, and we got iced coffee, and yesterday it wasn't raining, and we got hot coffee. I think we have it all mixed up.
My car's dumb thick, dumb low. I'm about to scrape on this speed bump.
Oh! After all that food, we got coffee. Our stomachs are very bad right now. I'm probably like a 2 out of 10. I don't have energy. I don't really feel like putting this front bumper on, but I know I need to do it. Trying to get in a hype mood, trying to keep the energy going. So this is gonna be very difficult just because of, well, can't do it with that hand. That hand's messed up. This like black cover thing's gonna have to come off, and it's kind of hard to see where all the bolts are because I've never done it before, but we're about to figure it out.
I don't know how the fuck you take this bumper off. Hey, wait, real quick, you don't need the bumper, right? This one?
I don't need the bumper.
Is it cool if we just yeet it?
I mean, I guess we can go for it.
Yeah.
I mean, you got your safety glasses on, so we're Gucci. Okay, if it starts pulling something that's like sketch, I don't know, just be careful. No, not just keep going. Oh, whoa, aggressive. I think we might have to take this plate off. Are you good?
That didn't really work.
I mean, no, it started to work, kind of.
I thought I cut my finger, but it didn't work.
I think we need to take this lip off because the lip is connected to the fender.
We need to take this off first.
So that plate and the lip. So see, we're getting somewhere. Now we know what to take off to be able to
come off with just yeeting it.
Okay, but we can still yeet it when we take that plate off.
Let's do it.
Okay. All the bolts are off now.
Yo, I told you we got this. Look.
Dude, that should not have came off that easy. What's up with this jank ass bash bar? Oh my god.
Look, you got 1 toe strap, 2 toe strap, because we all know you're gonna get stuck somewhere.
No, I'm not trying to get stuck anywhere.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, that's so sketchy. It's not even removable. Like, if you fuck it up, you're done.
Is
like,
that welded to the frame?
Yes.
That's gay.
That is super lame. Okay, so now it's time to see if this front bumper is gonna fit properly. I've heard that that's the one thing on this kit that is like the worst fitting, but I feel like,
let's just get this bitch
dude,
on.
we've had a lot of luck with this kit, so I'm really hoping it goes together good. You still have some stuff on those corners, so it's not gonna go on yet.
Protection.
It's not
Always wrap it up.
Shut up. Oh, shit.
So we ran into an issue already. This thing right here is not factory, and it's getting in the way of the vent right here for the headlight. So we're gonna have to take this off, and then try and fit the bumper on.
And then hopefully it fits. I'm thinking it should.
We're gonna have to send it and cut these little stupid tow hook things off. So we're just gonna take the Sawzall and cut this right here.
Is that how we're cutting it?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay.
Actually, we're gonna cut it like this.
That's what I'm thinking. I think it looks ugly, so I kind of want to just cut it off and then just redo it when I have the time.
Try to line up like the edge right here. Noah's been praising these rep kits and shit. The front bumper does not fit.
3 out of 4 we're solid. 3 out of 4. This is the one that's gonna take a little bit of work.
The front bumper is not even close. We're gonna have to figure something out.
So after trying to get this to fit, we actually got this body line pretty decent. And now we're gonna do one side at a time. The one thing that doesn't fit very well is this right here. So when this is pulled down, it just, that line is off by like 1/4 inch, and it's gonna be a lot of work to fix that. But honestly, the bumper's gonna get destroyed from me drifting it, and it looks pretty decent from like a little bit far back. As you can see, it like looks pretty good, especially when those are bolted to the fender. It's gonna look really good, all flared out and everything. We thought it was gonna be a lot worse, didn't we?
It wasn't that bad.
It like,
all thanks to me.
Yeah. But I mean, like when we first put it up there, we're like, oh shit, this is gonna be bad.
Yeah.
Like, and it definitely is like coming together. So I'm not too bummed on it anymore. It's gonna be off a little bit. It's not gonna be perfect, but you can't expect a perfect kit for 200 bucks. Oh my God, this car is looking so good now with the kit on it. Dude, it looks so fucking good. Dude.
Look at him over here, bro. It looks so good.
Holy shit, that thing is dumb low.
Yo, big country lab. Hook up a wing.
Yeah, we'll see about that. This is the best that we're gonna get this front bumper. That mesh I'm for sure taking out because it looks disgusting, but honestly, it really doesn't look that bad. It looks worse in, like, I hate to say this, but it does look worse in person than it does on camera. On camera, it looks actually really good. But so the hood isn't shut all the way right now, but there's gonna be a slight gap right there. But I think I'm gonna put a little bit of like a rubber liner so you won't be able to notice it as much. And then obviously this line is very crappy right here.
If you did a cut right here, and then you cut it right here, and you took this little piece out, and then you took this and you closed it
to it.
Yeah.
That would be sick. Maybe I should do that if I'm gonna like do a really nice wrap or like paint on it, then I'll do that. If I end up doing something for the time being, I'll just leave it how it is, but I might end up taking this off and redoing it the right way, we'll see. But this side fits pretty decent. It's really not bad. There's a slight gap, as you can see, just kind of down the whole bumper, but that fits pretty good. We actually got it to wrap around the back of the fender. We had to cut it just a little bit, but that all fit right there. And something that I need to do, because I almost destroyed my side skirt actually, is I need to self-tap these in, because this is open, or like not open, but it's not like closed. When I had the door shut and I went to open it, the bottom of the door actually like ripped this and made like a cracking noise, but good thing the side skirt is fine. So we're gonna pull these up and put a couple self-tappers in there and do that on both sides. And then for the time being, I think the FC is gonna be somewhat decently done with the kit before I get the wheels and some other stuff for it. The whole kit is finally on. We got both side skirts self-tapped in by the doors, and it is looking pretty solid. I'm just super excited for what's to come. Obviously, I don't know if you guys know, but I am getting wider fenders on the front and rear, and also wheels are coming very, very soon for it. So the car is slowly coming together. It's gonna be a little bit more time, maybe like a month or something.
It looks so good right now.
Maybe like a month. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. My goal is by the 1st of the year, January 1st, I want to have the car complete, like driving, bucket seats, hydro in there, like everything ready to go. So that's a month and a half, gives me a little bit of time. I still have a lot of work to do to the FD when the FD gets back from getting recaged, and I'm going to Winter Jam. So it's gonna be a hustle, but I think I can do it. What is you doing?
My bitch drive a all white rank. You lying. You had it and you lost all the shot. I can buy a Billy, don't talk some.
I think the thing is with that song is even when we're playing it, other people can't hear it, they're still getting hyped. As you saw, they're always getting hyped. Is that same? Nope, no, it's not. Never mind. I don't know what I was saying. Never mind. Just try and say that. Just I didn't say that.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's why I didn't say anything.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about either. So you are so lame. So lame.
What?
What? Hey Jason, which ball did you get?
Which ball did I get?
Which ball did you get?
I got a big one.
Which one? It's a big blue ball. Okay, see, here's your problem. Blue balls, okay? Just wait up. But you didn't lather your ball up. You just gotta get a little, oh, you just gotta get it lathered up. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh,